Hello, my name is Keelan Hamilton, and this is a personality quiz that I've created in order to showcase different African American literary movements and the authors that are associated with them, titled What Kind of African American Writer Are You? There have been numerous eras and genres of African American literature since the slave narratives all the way up to today in the contemporary era. These literary movements are characterized by their own goals and values. This quiz will determine which one of these movements/eras that you gravitate the most towards, and I will personally be taking this quiz just to showcase it. First question: what do you incorporate into your writing? So I'm treating this quiz as if I was an African American writer of any era. For the purposes of this showcase, I will pick Black Solidarity. What do you attempt to achieve in your writing? I would say to celebrate Black heritage. Do you consider writing that is outside of the literary canon less legitimate? I would say no. Does your writing originate from Harlem? I would say yes for this. What time period? The 1920s. Which of these writers inspires you the most from this list? I would say Langston Hughes. And which writer inspires you most from this list? And I'll say Zora Neale Hurston. And the result from this demonstration would be the Harlem Renaissance writer. Depending on the other answers of this quiz, you could end up with something else, such as contemporary writer, street lit writer, or even slave narrative writer. But hopefully, this just can showcase how different eras of writing differ from one another. Thank you.